Hi guys, Jana here with Lighter Self, and today I have some exercises that will help you improve the strength and stability of your core and back body, also known as posterior chain. So this one is the suspension trainer bridge to row. You're gonna sit facing a suspension trainer attached to your door. Bend your knees and plant your feet on the floor, grasping the handles with the palms facing each other. Your arms are fully extended, your chest is up as you lift your hips off the floor. With your elbows close to your sides, bend your elbows to pull your torso up towards the handles until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knee, and you squeeze your glutes at the top. You lower your hips and extend your arms to return to the starting position. Keep your core engaged throughout this movement and look up towards the anchor point at the top of your door. The next exercise is the squat to row. You're going to stand with your feet hip to shoulder width apart, feet are straight, and you have a slight bend on your knee. Place the bands at about waist height or your belly button height. Hold the handles with the palms facing each other. Lift your chest, hold your arms straight in front of your body and push your hips back to begin lowering into a squat. At the bottom of the squat, keep your arms straight. Push the four corners of your feet into the ground to stand up, squeezing your glutes at the core. Keep the core engaged throughout this movement, and you row as you come up. This one is the plank. So you're gonna try to bring your elbows underneath your shoulders. You can stay on your knees with the knees on the floor, or you can take your knees off the floor, but make sure you're tucking the tailbone in and you're engaging your core and you're keeping your elbows underneath your shoulders. Keep your head, your chin in and your head back, moving as far back as you can so that you can open up through your collarbone. And you bring your belly button in and up towards your spine. Make sure that your kneecaps are also coming up as you engage your quads, and make sure you're squeezing your glutes as much as you can. So glutes and core should be on fire here. You should actually engage all the muscles of your body till you're shaking. You can hold for as long as you can. Try to make a goal that you're going to be able to do it for up to 1 minute. And if you want, you can go up to 2 minutes. Try to do between 1 to 5 sets of 12 to 15 reps each exercise, and hold the plank between 1 to 2 minutes, and try to do each exercise from back to back without taking breaks as much as you can. I hope you liked these exercises, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and whoever can benefit from it. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Namaste.